If Photoshop is not responding on Windows 11, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing without the frustration. Photoshop freezes can happen for a few different reasons, including a stuck process, corrupted preferences, driver issues, GPU acceleration problems, or even a bad font cache. The good news is that most of these problems are fixable in just a few minutes. Before we start, make sure to hit that like button if this tutorial helps you, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and software how-tos. Alright, let's jump right into the first fix. If Photoshop is completely frozen and the close button does nothing, the first thing you want to do is force it to shut down. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open Task Manager. Once it opens, go to the Processes tab and look for Adobe Photoshop. When you find it, right-click it and choose End Task. This fully closes the app and stops any stuck background process that may be causing the freeze. If Photoshop still keeps acting up, the next fix is one of the most effective solutions, clearing the Photoshop preferences. Corrupted preference files are one of the most common reasons Photoshop stops responding, especially when launching or closing files. First, make sure Photoshop is completely closed. Then press and hold Ctrl, Alt, and Shift on your keyboard at the same time. And while keeping them held down, launch Photoshop using your normal shortcut. You should see a prompt asking if you want to delete the Adobe Photoshop settings file. Click Yes. This resets the preferences and often fixes random crashes, hangs, and startup problems. If Photoshop freezes when using tools like Remove Tool, Generative Fill, or other heavy features, the issue may be your graphics driver. In many cases, Windows users have the Game Ready driver installed, but Photoshop tends to work better with the more stable Studio driver. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD software, then go to the drivers section. Look for the option to change your download preference from Game Ready driver to Studio driver. Install the Studio driver, then restart your PC so the changes fully apply. This simple switch can make a big difference in stability. Now, if Photoshop still isn't responding, you can try turning off GPU acceleration altogether. This is especially useful if your graphics card is older, unstable, or conflicting with Photoshop. Open Photoshop and go to Edit, then Preferences, then Performance. In the Graphics Processor Settings area, uncheck Use Graphics Processor. Click OK, close Photoshop, and reopen it. By doing this, Photoshop will rely more on your CPU instead of your GPU, which can help eliminate freezing caused by graphics-related issues. Another fix that often gets overlooked is clearing the font cache. A corrupted font can cause Photoshop to hang during startup while it tries to load font data. To do this, open File Explorer by pressing Win, and E. Then go to this folder path, C/users, your username, app data, roaming, Adobe. Photoshop 2026. If you don't see the App Data folder, click View at the top of File Explorer, select Show, and make sure Hidden Items is turned on. Inside that folder, find the CT Font Cache folder and delete it completely. After that, empty the recycle bin and launch Photoshop again. At this point, one of these fixes should have solved the issue. In most cases, clearing preferences or switching drivers is enough to get Photoshop running normally again on Windows 11. If you're still having trouble, you can combine these methods one by one until the app becomes stable. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful Windows and Adobe fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.